How to sign up for Vinted. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can sign up for Vinted, and it's very simple. All right, the first step is to open your PC, head over to your browser, and then in the search box just type out vinted.com or just Vinted. Then after typing out Vinted, you'll be taken to the page where you'd see a number of blog posts. Just go ahead and select the option Vinted. Okay, so once you've done that and you're brought to the Vinted homepage, you can see where do you live. You can see the question, where do you live? So go ahead and select the country where you live. And so after selecting the country where you live, the page would load, and then the next step would be for you to move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see the option sign up, log in, sell now. So since you do not have an account, ensure you click on sign up, and then you can see join and sell pre-loved clothes with no fees. Then you can decide to create an account by continuing with Google, with Facebook, or with Apple, or with your email. For me, I want to continue with Google, so I'll just select continue with Google. So then select the Google account, and after that click on continue, and once you've done that, you'd wait for the page to load. Okay, so once that's loaded, you can see the next step would be for you to enter in your username. This is just an example, do not forget that. And so after entering your username, ensure it's the name that you'd like to use as long as you're using your Vinted account, because you cannot change it afterwards. So then click on continue, and then you can see a verification process will be done to ensure that you are whom you say you are, right? Yeah, so just go ahead and carry out the puzzle, and then after that you'd wait for it to load, and then your account would be created. Okay, and then you'll be asked to verify your phone number. If you want to, ensure you do that and the account will be created. So this is basically how to be about it. This is how you can create an account on Vinted. So thank you for watching and have a good day.